So, nandito kami ngayon sa Calonbarac, Skyline Ridge, dito sa Poblacion Malungon, Sarangani Province. So, maya-maya magbibigay sa Sarangani event na kami. Ayan, as you can see, we are experiencing the Calonbarac fogs. Ayan, see, diba? Lamig. So, kailangan ng bonfire.
Sunrise ng Kadlawan and Sea of Clouds. So, yun lang. Welcome once again and happy International Youth Day and
For reconnecting roots, nagsimula ang Bigkas Sarangani sa Calonbarac Skyline Ridge. So, can I know the people who are one of the first waves of the Bigkas
Sarangani? Kasi ginawa namin ito ni Yado nung naisip